I've heard of, way beyond the sky. There, little birds, they're full of love. They're over that big old rainbow. Oh, look here they come my way. I probably would have been safer on the rock. Just married. A song. Whoa, over the rainbow blue. Birds fly. Then come for crazy children. And I was just about to die. Oh man, this is really shaky. That is true love right there. True love. Aubrey, take notes. That is true love. What's wrong, Aubrey? And then they pick up their favorite child, whom they spoil and take care of more than the rest of us. Aubrey's her favorite. Look at her. She plays them like a book. What are you doing?
No, I said what? No.
Oh, she still plays them like a book. They're making up a plan. They're probably going to come over and try to run me over. Or not. Here, I'm going to run after them like a maniac.